This video right here is for knowledge only of landscaping equipment. Well, keep watching this video for more information and more knowledge. Thank you for stopping by. Like, comment, subscribe. Even if you don't own landscaping equipment, or if you live somewhere it's HOA and they do everything for you, at least you'll have the knowledge. If you own landscaping equipment, you know how to safety do the repairs and take care of your machine properly and well maintain your machine for the winter season, how to drain the gas. So keep watching this video for more information and more knowledge. If you have a tractor like I do, it's always good in the winter season to let the engine run. By letting the engine run, it'll help drain the gas, it'll save time, money, and repairs, and it'll be safe for the next season. If you have a push mower like I got, or something similar, it's always good to let it run and drain all the gas. It'll save you time, money, and repairs, and it'll be ready for the next season when you gotta cut the grass again. It has this thing right here, so you can turn off the gas too.